everyone, I'm CocoCrochetLee and I am going to show you how to use the new Lucet Fork from Furls Crochet. The Lucet Fork basically turns any regular yarn into a cord and is a great replacement for I-cord in knitting and for creating I-cord in crocheting. So what's going to happen is we're going to first take the cut end of our yarn and insert it through the hole opening at the front of the Lucet Fork. The thing that I love about the Furls Lucet Fork is that there is this beautiful thumb grip right at the front, so you can put your thumb down on your cut end of your yarn to hold it while you grow your cord. In order to start our cord with our Lucet Fork, we're going to create a figure 8 with our yarn. So drawing the yarn from the back to the front, we're going to wrap around the right side of the fork, around to the front of the left side of the fork, in between again, back around to the front around the right side of the fork, and one more time around the left side of the fork. And then you can hold the yarn again at the back of your work. So what we're looking for here is to have 2 loops on each prong of your fork. In order to make the first part of our cord, we're going to simply pull the bottom loop over top of the first loop and off of the prong on both sides. So each of the bottom loop gets pulled off of the prong on both sides. And you can tighten a little bit on your loose end here. Now we're going to wrap again for another 4 loops. So this time we're only going around once on each prong so that we have 4 loops again on our Lucet Fork. And to continue, we're taking the bottom loop and pulling it over top of the top loop on either side. So you're going to continue creating 4 loops on your fork, 2 on each side, and pulling the bottom loop over top of the top loop. And as your cord grows, you can pull it through the opening on the Lucet Fork.